Dash is a next-generation P2P payments network and cryptocurrency where transactions are recorded on the blockchain. If you guys are looking for a very fast cryptocurrency, check out Dash. Let's check out some of the market information, guys. Currently trading at $113.16 with a $1.19 billion market cap. Its ticker is DASH and is ranked number 82 on the list. But if you're looking for trading, hodling, getting exposure to cryptocurrency, we'll see what markets they're on. Binance, Coinbase, Gate.io, KuCoin, Kraken, Bitfinex, Bybit. They're pretty much on all the big ones, guys. It is a top 100 cryptocurrency, number 82, so they're on a lot of platforms. So let's check out their price ratings. You got two. You got one from Symmetry as a B, and they got a double B by Positive Outlook. Once again, cryptocurrencies, they do have them. To me, they do much better off in their charts. They're not just a meme coin that actually has something that cryptocurrency is about. Turn to the cryptocurrency news. If you guys are looking for CoinMarketCap news outside the Twitter page, I'm going to go over when it comes to their news. Let's check this out. They got some things that came out a month ago. Not two things are out, but when it comes to the Twitter page, I will give you their updated news. Here's their website, guys. Like I did in the beginning, if you want to learn more about their stuff, you guys can click on individuals, businesses, downloads, buy online. Like you can learn more about cryptocurrency. So if you're going to trade, hodl, get part of this cryptocurrency, check out their website. See about what their app, what they're doing, what their technology improves upon, or what their platform for the P2P payment works. All right, here's their Twitter page with 24,000 followers. So let's check out their stuff that came out. It just came out. Now you can save 5% on all purchases at bulk when paying with Dash on the Dash Direct app. So you guys looking for shopping for different features for Valentine's Day, please check that out. Maybe you guys save some money, and you guys can get some other discounts with it, okay? Now, also follow me on Twitter, Andre J. McClendon, talk about political stuff, trading stuff. Well, let's get to my price prediction, guys. So when it comes to Dash let's check on the weekly. They had a height of $477, right? And we have taken a big hit from there, like really, really big hit. We're like all the way down here. So now a lot of people think that we're going to be breaking that high. I'm just going to break that in my analysis how I see it. And if any questions, comments, guys, just let me know in the description box below. Okay. Let's get to it. So we got this big down part right here. This is like, we have this other support here. Like there's not much that is going to be doing for this bounce. If you see it right here, like it's been bouncing off this support right here, 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 and here, and it seems like it's not having that big push, that big oomph like it has done over here. So this is what I would do. And for me, guys, I'm very patient when it comes to trading. I don't want the best price. I just like the trend. You know, catch it or I'm gonna buy stop. Here I'm gonna wait because it seems like it's going to bounce off this level again. And let me zoom in a little bit. Let's go to the daily. Here we go. So if you look at it, it bounced off pretty strongly right here, and then it's on the same level, and then we're adding some more orders. This is good. There's some structure, but it's not moving really fast. It's just seeming like it's growing like this, which is good in a sense. But we might not be able to break these recent highs. We might head down lower, especially with this trend happening. Because the trend's your friend, and if the trend was been selling off, that might just continue. So I'm gonna get rid of this arrow. Move this back up a little bit, make it a little bigger. So what highs we have to look at? We got some highs that we need to break before. Okay. So the highs that that we have to break. We got this high at the 154. We got this high about 205, and another high at 240. So as it's been doing is that once it hit this bottom of like $92, it's been building some orders, been building a lot of buyers interested in Dash. So if Dash is to continue, we need more buyers to start kicking in. But if it doesn't, we might just hit this top. And if we don't have enough breakthrough, we might just head back down lower. So that's scenario right here. We might just head down lower and break it here. There is a lot of space here. So when it comes to like a short-term trade, going from like 115 to 150, that's a pretty good. That's a lot of money to go from here to here. So like short term, it can hit 150, then hit down lower, or it can just go through and bust through. But before I make that type of analysis, going up here, that'd be like the option 2. Instead of hitting, going through here, breaking down, it just goes through here and breaks through, heads up higher. So for me, when it comes to this, I'm very patient like this. But this for a short-term trade, like you start like breaking it down. If it goes down from here, let's say it just heads back down here, catches this thing and goes back down. You're not talking going from 110 down to 88. That's $12, right? So for a short-term trade, and seeing how volatile Dash is, this might be a short-term gain, a short-term trade from current price where it's at now, current price, to where's it at? 150, and then it might head back down lower, back down here. So that's a very short-term trade. So I would take that possibly, but long-term, I don't know if it would break through, because if it breaks through this 150 level, I can see that my price prediction would be $205, and that's what I'm going to make it for the first prediction level. If it breaks this price 150, then I'm looking at the $205 level. It seems like there's going to be a lot of people trying to get to that price level for a short term. If it hits that, might bounce down lower, but ultimately hit that 208, 205 level in the zone for here. And if I'm wrong, guys, it might just bounce around and build up over time. It can break through, like some of my analysis is going through. It can break this $88, $85 level, this zone right here. It breaks this previous support. It can do that, and I'll make another video if it does, saying that, hey, it didn't respect this zone. It just kept on going lower. I'll make an updated video. But for this, it seems like the best use case would be a temporary trade. Do like a temporary target profit, and then catch it on another buy limit or market entry to head down up to the 205 level. So target profit will be right here. If you like 2 orders, have the first target profit at the 150 and the second target profit at the 205, and my price prediction would be for 205. That's for the price prediction, guys. $205. If you have any questions or comments, to drop them below. Well, let's get to my website, Andre J. McClendon. If you want to open up a stock account, trading account, forex account, just click these links in the front. If you're looking for more things about precious metals or any statistical information, I'm building that right now. Just to let me know. I'll give you the password. You guys can get in there and start going through all this stuff. If you guys want an indicator for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, please check out the free ones. And also, if you're looking for a custom EA or trading robot, I do design them, so we can talk about that and see how much it costs and how it was developed. But other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Tell me how I did on my Dash review and my Dash price prediction. And I'll see you guys in the next